This is the story of two best friends, Sean and Jack, who study in the same university. Sean is smart, a forward thinker, and an opportunity creator, whereas Jack is conventional and an opportunity chaser. On a weekend, they plan for a visit to an exhibition. On the way, they see an advertisement for a job fair with over 50 global companies participating to make on-the-spot job offers. They decide to attend the job fair and explore career opportunities. They were delighted to see top global companies under one roof conducting a recruitment drive. Sean and Jack were disappointed as they were not prepared to appear for multiple interviews since they were not carrying their formal resumes. However, Sean was carrying his pocket CV and decided to move ahead with the recruitment process. Jack had no option but to return home. Sean connected with the recruiters, attended multiple interviews, and was offered a job by quite a few companies. This made Sean extremely happy, and he was on cloud nine. The next morning, Sean visited Jack and told Jack all about the job offers he collected during the job fair. While Sean was extremely happy and upbeat, Jack was demotivated, regretful, and upset for having missed the opportunity to grab the job offers just because he didn't have a pocket CV that could have helped him build conversations with the recruiters during such unexpected occasions.
Hello, my name's Bill, and I'm a senior resume writing expert. Just like Jack, there are millions of students worldwide who miss interviews, job and networking opportunities at airports, conferences, and networking events. Pocket CVs come in handy during such unforeseen situations. Pocket CV is the world's smallest CV, a conversation starter, and a wonderful networking tool in your pocket meant for freshers and networkers for formal interactions during casual times. Pocket CV is a four-sided business card that fits your wallet well. It has job-focused content in unique sections. It's high on aesthetics with smart layouts and smart features enabled. It helps you get interviewed anywhere, anytime. We shall be happy to serve you and bring a smile to your face just like Sean. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website, www.resumementorglobal.com, and place your order now.